If I can be honest, I didn't expect to like this camera that much. This camera is a minimalist marvel that has been turning heads in the photography world. Sigma has stripped away almost all physical controls of this camera, yet with the minimalistic design, it is sleek and elegant, and after some use, it's very intuitive as well. Also with the buttons it does still have, it's really great. The thumb holder fits perfectly in my hand how I would hold it, along with really easy reaching a dial or any of the buttons below it to view a photo again, to go back, to change some settings, to turn it on and off. And I feel like the buttons are actually just super sensitive to touch as well, as if you just kind of hold down a little bit, you can see the photo and go quickly right back to shooting. Now the Sigma BF is also available in black as well if you wanted to go with that, but I personally have been loving the silver look. So if you haven't heard this stuff already, we're gonna dive a little bit into the specs of the camera. The Sigma BF is a full-frame mirrorless camera with a 24 megapixel CMOS sensor, and it is crafted from a single block of aluminum. And you can definitely just feel the quality of it when you hold it. It's definitely a little bit weighty, but not heavy. For my videographers out there, the Sigma BF offers 6K and 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p up to 120 frames per second, so you can get those nice slow motion shots. Plus the BF does have the Leica L-Log for professional grade color grading. Now I'm gonna be honest and say that I wouldn't technically really consider this a video camera. However, it still would be great to use it for short form content and creating, and with all the quality that it has inside of it, you can definitely shoot video with it. I just don't know if I would bring it along for a professional shoot. Some of the things that's different is that the Sigma BF does not require an SD card. It is all internal storage and kind of acts as like a hard drive. When you plug it into your computer, all of the files are stored on there, so you can grab it from that. And also you charge the camera itself, you don't charge the battery. Maybe that's annoying to some, but I also think too, it's a great reminder of when you plug it in to charge the camera, it'll also remind you, hey, I should take the photos right off my camera now, and why should I wait to take them off later like I do with all my other SD cards? And of course, like all other cameras, you can make it a silent shutter so that you don't have to even have any sound when taking photos, and you just barely hear the little bit of click when you're changing the buttons. Like I said, I didn't think I was gonna like it this much, but it really just allowed me to kind of slow down again, just even get used to the interface, change some settings, and then really just start having fun taking some photos. I got to take this to a friend's bridal shower and just got some sweet photos of my friends there and the event going on. I just really enjoyed being able to fit it in my purse and take it out and just snap a couple quick shots here and there and not feel like I was working or the whole time trying to get these professional looking shots, but knowing that these were gonna be great quality photos and just having fun with it. It would be ideal if you're traveling or going somewhere else and you don't want to bring all your professional equipment and you just wanted to bring one camera and maybe a lens or two, then I would say go with this. It has been really such a fun experience getting to learn about this camera, to use it, to see how much fun the minimalistic design really is and how it doesn't always feel restricting. It definitely just kind of makes you focus on what am I capturing versus, oh, let me change all my settings, let me go through this, make sure it looks like this, and really just turn it on, snap the picture, and go. And the best part too is if you don't like the settings that you took the photo with, you can re-edit the settings right in the camera. It's actually kind of crazy. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed getting to know the Sigma BF just a little bit more through my personal experience with it. And thank you so much to Sigma for allowing us to have this time with the camera. We've thoroughly enjoyed it. We'll see you guys in the next video.